Here's the stock chart of Robinhood, ticker Hood. It's been on an absolute tear lately. We're going to take a look at it, compare it to its much older, bigger brother, Charles Schwab, and see if this valuation is justified and how much does Hood need to grow to justify this price or higher. So let's quickly baseline Hood. We have an $82 billion market cap company here with $7 billion in book value. It's got $27 billion in total assets and it does $1.30 a share in EPS. Now let's jump to Charles Schwab before we do the comparison. You've got a $170 billion market cap against $40 billion in equity. $463 billion in total assets, doing about $4.30 a share in EPS. So Hood deserves a higher multiple because it's growing faster, but let's check all the metrics here to see if it deserves this multiple. 10x price to book versus 4x for Charles Schwab. The price to earnings ratio, PE, 71 times versus 21 times. And look at the growth rate difference. Yes, Robinhood's growing faster at 20%, but only slightly faster at the 13% that Schwab is expected to grow top line. If you've been watching our videos and want to invest alongside us,
click the link in the comments, select your brokerage,
search for ticker RVER wherever you buy stocks.
Thank you, and now back to our video.
So what the market is pricing in for Hood is a massive gain in assets. $27 billion in assets compared to $463 billion for Schwab. That's 27x the assets, but it only has 2x the market cap of Robinhood. Everyone is expecting Robinhood to garner a ton of crypto and a ton of total assets in the stock market, the same way Charles Schwab did over the last 20 years. So the difference in assets, which is 27x from Schwab to Hood, versus the difference in market cap, which is only 2x, has us on the sidelines based on relative valuation here in Hood. So if you're thinking of buying or holding Hood up here, you're probably concluding that a tidal wave of assets is headed their direction, likely including crypto, and the 20% growth rate that Wall Street is predicting for this company is likely lower than what's going to happen in reality. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We've had a ton of action on our Palantir video and our HIMS video. You want to check those out if you want to. And thanks for everything you guys do. We appreciate it.